Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll show you how to do the drum refresh in Kyocera 5004i photocopier series. Drum refresh on Kyocera printers is essential to maintain print quality. Over time, the drum unit can accumulate toner residues and debris, affecting image clarity and overall print performance. Refreshing the drum involves cleaning and conditioning it, ensuring optimal functioning and prolonging the lifespan of the drum unit. This regular maintenance helps prevent issues like streaks, smudges, or faded prints, ultimately contributing to the longevity and efficiency of the printer. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.